doing today? Today we are going to put the Roomba i6 Plus through my entire floor plan. This is just going to be more of a mapping video. We'll see how quickly it can map and then how easy it is to make the full map of my full floor plan. This is a camera-based robot, if you were not aware. And what iRobot does with just the camera, to me, is quite amazing. I think iRobot is just as good once the map is complete as LiDAR. So I think personally on the Roombas that are i6 or higher, which would be i6, i7, i8, or the S9, what they can do with the camera is simply amazing. I think it's just as good once the map is done than a LiDAR based system. Now anything under that though, LiDAR to me absolutely rules. Let me go and show you the floor plan really quick. Pretty good sized floor plan. I have a kind of a computer room here. It's an entryway. This would be like a den. Living room. Kitchen. Or dining room. Kitchen area. Another entryway. Pantry. Laundry room. Bathroom. All right, let's go ahead and send this out. We're gonna do a simple mapping run rather than doing an actual cleaning job. This will allow it to map your house much, much quicker and more efficiently than having to clean, and it can do it within one battery charge quite easily. So normally you just hit clean, it would go out and start cleaning your entire house as well as making a map. But to do this, go to maps. As you can see, I don't have any because I deleted it. And you can send it on a mapping run. Now this will go to every single crevice in this house that it can get to and make a map. And when this is done, you're gonna be pretty surprised at how great the map looks. We'll compare it and actually walk around my house and see if I got every corner and everything correctly. So as you can see, it's just driving around, the vacuum motor is not on and the rollers are not spinning. Usually it takes 2 times to get a full map. I'm not sure if it takes 2 mapping runs or not. I'll let you know in this video. So I'm gonna let this guy go ahead and go. I'll let you know how long it takes to do this floor plan. It should come back with how many square feet and all that good stuff. And if need be, I'll do a second map run. And then we'll go to the map and we'll label each room, do some no-go zones, do some cleaning zones, and just see how easily and how well everything works. All right, I will be back. If you're new, please do me a favor, like and subscribe. I'm doing a giveaway as soon as I hit 10,000 subscribers. There'll be a free robot vacuum sent to you for totally free. And it'll probably be about 4 or 5 different ones that you can choose from. There'll be a lot more info coming when I get closer to that 10,000. Thanks again, and I will be back when this one is done. All right, everybody, it has completed the first mapping run. Let's take a look at some of the information we get from it. Let's first go to history. And then you can see it ran today. Here is the map that it gave me from the first run. I'd say it's pretty accurate so far. It should change a little bit depending on the second run. So this thing's so accurate that this is my pantry here, right? And there is a straight wall here, but I have a couple of boxes in there. So it even cut out for the boxes that I have in there. Same with my laundry room. The wall would go straight there normally, but that is the washer and dryer. So even after just one quick run through these rooms, it's extremely accurate. I love how iRobot can do this. And then we'll be able to make each room, add the no-go zones, and then the cleaning zones. So it should be pretty cool. I'll show you step by step how to do all that. And I will be back after I run it again. All right, everybody, it is done with the map. It went out 2 times. Let's see how long it took total. Gotta go to history. So the first map run took 1 hour 33 minutes, and the second one was 1 hour 18 minutes. So as you can see, just from that, it already learned and got faster. Let's go and check out the map. Now we can edit it. So it's 2 full runs, and then we can customize the app. So it's on the main floor. And as you can see, it guesstimates how many rooms you have in your house. Obviously, this is way too many. So I'm going to have to go through and edit a lot of this, which is totally fine because it's really quick, as you're going to see. And once you're done, you're pretty much done with it. So as you can see right here, that is where it's sitting at home. And that room is actually correct. So let's move over here. The only one I really need to fix is this divider here. Don't really need that one. So you just delete it. And then this one, for whatever reason, is crooked. So I'm going to straighten that one up just to make it look better. All right, and then we're going to move over to my living room area, where this one should more be of a straight line like so. So these you just use 2 fingers and twist, kind of like you would zoom in on your camera. Okay, the other rooms that should be changed, I would say, is gonna be this line I can get rid of. I got rid of both of them, but I'll fix that in a second. So here, there's not 2 rooms. So this was in the middle here, that weird shape, that's actually my dining room table. So actually I don't need either one of these, because that's kind of the middle of the room. Let's go ahead and add one. This one's going to divide basically my dining room and my living room. Right about there should be good. Okay. So now the kitchen's good, the pantry's good. We can add one if I really want to the. This is the laundry room. Don't really need a specific room for laundry, but we'll just throw it there anyways. And then this one, I would say we should move down here. And this would be like the entryway from the garage. So once you got all your lines set up, then you can label the rooms. Let me look over this and see if it looks good. Yeah, I think that's good. So we're going to click next. And now we can label the rooms. So let's start in the top right corner. This is going to be, let's just call it a den. This is going to be the entryway. Or actually, I'm going to change that to foyer. This I'm going to call the office. That's where my computer is. This is living room, dining room, and kitchen. And then this over here, I do need to add one more line actually, but I'll show you how to do that. We'll pretend like we forgot and we'll do it later. Pantry, and then there should be one for laundry room. Yeah, okay, cool. It'll be the entryway. And then I'll fix a mistake in just a second. After we close it out, I'll show you how to do that. So this is the full map. As you can see, it did not take long at all. Very easy and very accurate. So let's go ahead and click done, and it'll save everything we just did. And so the quick mistake was right here. There's a little bathroom right in the middle there. So I'm going to add a room divider. Approximately, well, this shape's a little bit odd, I will admit that. So I'm going to do, it might fix too as it cleans more. So I'm going to do right there, that's technically my bathroom. Now we should be good to go. And now you can add keep out zones or clean zones, which is really nice. I don't necessarily need my vacuums to clean underneath my couch every run. So in a future video, I'd probably throw a no-go zone, up here in the top left corner of the living room. That's really the only spot I could see me needing a no-go zone. And then clean zones we could add, anywhere that is a high traffic area, like the dining room table. You could just put this over here, just like that, and then label it dining room table. So that's pretty much it. It's fully set up, and now you want to have a new job. You can pick any room to clean, and if we had set up clean zones that underneath this bathroom, there'd be clean zones, and you could tell it to clean the dining room or entryway or whatever a high traffic area would be. So very easy to use. The map is very accurate. I like it a lot. And the more it cleans, the smarter it actually gets, and it'll kind of redesign the map a little bit as you clean. So that's going to be it for this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. It's very simple, works very well. Never had an issue with Roomba's i6 and higher for any type of map. It's always been really good, and I definitely recommend it. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.